Is it possible to build a whole building with only one type of material? Yes, it is possible to construct a building using primarily one type of material, and as such, buildings are often referred to as monolithic structures. This, the choice of material depends on various factors, including the intended use of building, environmental considerations, cost and structural requirements. Here are few examples of buildings constructed predominantly with a single material. 1. Concrete building. Many modern buildings use concrete as the primary construction material. This includes both the structural elements such as columns, beams and slabs, and non-structural elements like facades. Some buildings use precast concrete panels for the exterior walls. The second one is the steel structures. Steel is often used as the primary material in the construction of high-rise buildings and industrial structures. The frame, beams, and columns are typically made of steel. The outer walls may be made of other materials, but the main structural elements are steel. The third is the wooden structures. In residential construction, especially for houses and cabins, wood is common choice for the primary material. Timber frame construction, log homes and other wood-based methods are used. The fourth one is glass structures. Some modern buildings have heavily feature glass as a primary material for both structural and aesthetic purposes. These buildings often have glass facades and use structural glazing systems. Mud or adobe structures. In some regions, buildings are constructed primarily using mud, adobe, or rammed earth. These materials provide thermal mass and are well suited for certain climates. It's also important to note that while a building may primarily use one type of material, it's common for different materials to be used for specific purposes. For example, even in a concrete building, you may find steel reinforcements, glass windows, and other materials for finishes and interior elements. The choice of materials depends on a variety of factors, including the intended use of building, local building codes and regulations, environmental consideration, and the architect's design preferences.